The Sonadia island falls under Maheshkhali Upazila of Cox Bazar district of southeast Bangladesh. Blessed with several natural features like a mangrove forest, the sight of birds, endangered species, red crabs, turtles, Sonadia Eco-Tourism Park can offer immense potential to emerge as a leading tourist destination in the world. Meticulous efforts are taken to map the existing natural features of the project site, and adequate safeguards are incorporated in terms of earmarking the buffer zone, protection of existing features, restricting the building footprint area. Study area boundary 8,967 acres. Mangroves, turtles nesting, red crab crawling area, birds roosting ground, buffer zone, proposed embankment, effective planning area 909 acres. The master plan and development plan for Sonadia Ecotourism Park is conceptualized as a perfect blend of entertainment, education, information and learning, meeting the diverse nature of tourist visitors across age groups, culture with vast and varied expectations. Entrance zone provides a unique experience to the visitors and highly informative for enhancing better stay experience of Sonadia Ecotourism Park. An all-weather jetty is provided for safe embarking and disembarking of tourists, and a helipad facilitates emergency evacuation. Extensive internal access through walking, e-vehicles and cycling promotes hassle-free pedestrian movements. The viewing deck, seating area, water pool with musical fountains and landscape complement tourist enchantment. Disaster management and emergency response systems are also in place. Heritage and Hospitality Zone is coined to promote the rich and diverse heritage of the country and traditional values. Themed pavilions depict the local heritage with space for artists to exhibit their artistic capability. Unique feature is the provision of state-of-the-art meeting, incentive, conference and exhibition facilities and convention center for promoting business and MICE tourism. Leveraging the tourism ecosystem, Knowledge Center Zone is a perfect blend of research, education, leisure and entertainment. The state-of-the-art, green and energy-efficient buildings with rooftop solar and rooftop garden provide a conducive business environment for knowledge workers, research and innovation activities, promoting a green knowledge-based economy. The activities of Innovation and Research Center would include research on life sciences, alternative and renewable energy, environmental technologies and sustainable business practices, innovative materials and innovative products, built environment and sustainable communities, and International Design Center. Family Entertainment Zone is meticulously conceptualized to engage the whole family across age group and culture. Venture Zone, focusing on youth and the next generation, is configured with a host of themes like an entertainment hub, angling sport fishing, an amusement park with both wet and dry rides, paragliding, parasailing, jet skiing, kiosk, gazebo, food courts, river deck, riverboat jetty and other facilities enhance the stay experience. Eco-Science Zone is another unique feature of Sonadia Ecotourism Park for providing a conducive platform for learning science through nature examples and biomimicry. Promoting sustainable marine tourism, the initiative is poised to augment maritime education and preservation of the marine environment. The initiative is well positioned to achieve safe, climate resilient and prosperous Sonadia ecotourism while promoting knowledge, innovation-based green and blue economy. The initiative of promoting sustainable Sonadia Ecotourism Park by the Government of Bangladesh is timely and in perfect congruence with Vision 2041, Delta Plan and UN SDGs. With the efforts of the government of Bangladesh fast culminating into success, the Sonadia Ecotourism Park would play a stellar role in achieving the objective of Bangladesh becoming one of the most preferred tourist destinations in the world.